Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mom. Not really. I kept thinking about my exam tomorrow.
Already nervous, huh?
A little bit. It's an important test. Don't stress too much, Mila. You studied a lot this week.
I know, but I still feel like I need to review more.
What subject is it again?
English literature. We have to write an essay and answer questions.
Oh, I remember those. Essays were always tough for me.
You do great, honey. Just stay calm and focus.
I'll try. I'm planning to study all day today.
All day? Make sure you take breaks. Your brain needs rest, too.
I know, Dad. Maybe I'll take a short walk later.
Good idea. Fresh air helps.
Thanks. I feel a bit better now. That's our girl.
You've got this, Mila. Just believe in yourself.
I will. After breakfast, I'll make some coffee and start reviewing.
All right. I'll be in the kitchen if you need anything.
And remember, no phone while studying.
Okay, Dad. I promise. Time to study. Wish me luck.
Good luck, my girl.
Okay, let's clean this mess first. Much better. I can think now. All right, where did I stop yesterday? Oh yeah, chapter 3. Perfect. I need this. The main theme of the story is courage. Okay, courage. Why do I always forget this part? Come on, Mila, focus. No, no, no. Not now. I said no phone. Studying is hard, but I have to do it. I think I'm getting it. Yeah, this makes sense now. Okay, just one more chapter and then I'll take a break. Deal.
Oh, there you are. How's the studying going?
It's going okay, I guess. My brain is tired.
Already? You just started this morning.
I know, but I've been reading for hours. I need a break.
A short one, right?
Yeah, just a short one. I'm thinking to go out for a bit, maybe get some fresh air.
That's a good idea. Where are you going?
Maybe to the park. It's sunny and nice today.
All right, but don't stay out too long.
I won't. Just 30 minutes, I promise.
You look tired, sweetie. Did you eat lunch?
Not yet. I'll eat when I'm back.
Okay, just don't skip your meals. Don't worry, Mom. I'll be fine.
I'll go meet Sarah. Maybe we'll talk a bit.
Sarah again? She's your study buddy now.
Yeah, she is. See you later, Mom.
All right. Have fun. And remember, it's a break, not a vacation.
Got it.
Hey, Mila. You look tired.
I am. I've been studying all morning.
Same here. I tried to study, but it didn't go well.
What happened?
I just don't get the last lesson. The part about the main character's feelings. It's so confusing.
Oh, that chapter. Yeah, it's a bit tricky, but once you understand it, it's easy.
Easy for you, maybe. I read it 3 times, and I still don't get it.
Okay, how about this? Come to my place later. We can study together.
Really? Are you sure?
Of course. We'll go over everything step by step. I'll explain it to you.
That sounds perfect. Maybe I just need someone to help me focus.
Exactly. Sometimes studying alone is hard.
True. Thanks, Mila. You're a lifesaver.
You can thank me after the exam.
I'm already feeling better. I was so stressed this morning.
Don't worry, we'll do fine tomorrow. We just need to study smart.
Study smart, not hard. I like that.
Yeah, but we'll still study a little hard. I should go home soon. My mom's waiting.
All right. I'll come over this evening, okay?
Perfect. Bring your notes.
Mom, Sarah's here. We're going to study together.
That's great, girls. Study hard, okay? Hi, Mrs. Brown. Hi, Sarah. Good to see you again. Do you girls want some juice?
Yes, please. I'll bring it to your room.
Wow, your desk looks so neat.
I just cleaned it this morning. You should have seen it before.
I can imagine. Okay, where do we start?
Let's review the story part. The one you didn't understand?
Oh, now I get it. The main character wasn't angry, she was just afraid.
Exactly. You got it.
You explain things so well, Mila. Maybe you should be a teacher.
Maybe one day.
My brain needs a break.
Same. Let's do something fun for 5 minutes.
Like what?
Makeup challenge.
Wait, what are you doing? I look crazy.
You look beautifully funny.
If my mom sees me like this, she'll think I lost my mind.
Don't worry, I'll fix it later.
Oh no! What time is it? Oh, it's still early. Thank goodness. I actually dreamed that I missed the exam. Pens, notebook, ID card. Okay, I think I've got everything. You can do this, Mila. Just stay calm. Morning, honey. Ready for your big day? Yeah, I think so. I was so nervous I woke up early. That's a good thing. Eat a little breakfast before you go. Thanks, Mom. I'll grab something quick.
Mila, you're early.
I thought I was late. I woke up too soon.
Same here. I couldn't sleep well last night.
Me too. I kept thinking about the essay question.
What if they ask about the last chapter?
Then we're safe. We studied that one the most.
True. Okay, Deep breath. We can do this.
Yeah, let's do our best.
Time to go in.
Wish me luck.
Good luck. You'll do great. I can't believe it. That was actually easy.
Right? The questions were better than I expected.
Especially the essay part. I knew all the answers thanks to you.
See? Studying together worked.
It really did. Thank you, Mila. You saved me.
You owe me a coffee then.
I was just going to say that. Let's go to the cafe. My treat.
Deal. But first, no more studying talk, okay?
Agreed. We deserve a break.
Hard work always pays off. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning with TalkBridge English.